Hey guys, what is up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor if you're new here. Today is my last official day at home, which is crazy. I'm moving into my first apartment ever with my boyfriend Christian. We've been together for over 9 years and we're finally moving in together, which is so exciting, and it's just going to be a whole new chapter of our relationship together. So make sure you guys subscribe down below so you can stay updated with all the moving vlogs, empty apartment tour, and everything like that. It's gonna be such a busy day today. I have to go to Target, BJ's, Home Depot. I want to get my car washed. So I'm gonna take you guys along for all of that. And yeah, I want to do my skincare routine first. I just showered because I was outside spraying our wicker set with this like water protection spray. But yeah, I want to show you guys some skincare products I have been loving. Alright guys, so we are now in my bathroom and I wanted to talk to you guys about today's sponsor, Curology. My roommate, Shania, my old roommate, she has been using Curology for a while now, and every time she talked about it, she said nothing but good things. She saw so much improvement on her skin. So when they reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to try out Curology for myself, I said, heck yes, sign me up. Let me take the skin quiz right now. Let's get this thing started. And so that's what I did. And if you guys haven't heard of Curology before, it's acne care that's completely customizable to your skin and your skin needs and your skin goals. So all you have to do is go to their website and take a quick little skin quiz that kind of assesses your skin history, your current regimen, and what you're looking for in your personalized formula. Then you also have to take selfies of your profile, so your left profile, your front profile, and then your right profile, and then a licensed dermatology provider will review and analyze all of your information and will prescribe you your own customized super bottle. So that is what this is right here, and as you can see, it has my name on it, my active ingredients that my dermatology provider picked out, and it also has her name. So no one else can use this product but you. And I'm going to talk to you guys about what I wanted in my formula. So my laptop's right here and I'm just going to go through it. So I wanted my formula to target acne, dark spots, clogged pores, firmness, and wrinkles. And my dermatology provider, Jessica, she chose 3 active ingredients in my super bottle. So it is niacinamide, 4%, and they tell you all about what the ingredients that they put in here. So niacinamide is a powerful antioxidant that reduces inflammation and redness and dark spots. And then she also put in clindamycin, 1%, which is antibacterial that fights inflammation and acne causing bacteria. And the last ingredient she put in here was azelaic acid, 4%, which helps to unclog pores, improve skin texture, and lightens dark spots. So this is what it looks like. It's just a pump, and then you pump out the cream, and then you apply this to your skin nightly, or whatever your dermatology provider says to do. Mine said apply this nightly. So every night I do the cleanser, my super bottle formula, and then the moisturizer. And you can also pick out which version of the moisturizer you want to use. So I picked out the lightweight version. This is the gel formula, and then my roommate, I keep calling her my roommate, she's not my roommate anymore, but she chose the heavier moisturizer. But yeah, let me just start doing my whole skincare routine, and then I'm going to talk to you guys about the results that I saw. I love how gentle this cleanser is. It's honestly one of the most gentle cleansers I've ever tried out. None of these products dry out my skin at all, which is something that I honestly look for in a product, because some acne products really dry out your skin and can cause irritation, but honestly my formula hasn't at all, which is such a plus. So it's the morning right now, so I'm not going to put on the super bottle formula. I'm going to wait till nighttime, but I'll show you guys me applying that. But I'm just going to follow up with my moisturizer. Okay, now we are done with skincare. Alright guys, so we are back in my room. It's a little bit messy in the background. I'm moving. Don't come at me. but the lighting is completely better. I wanted to share with you guys some before shots of what my skin used to look like. Here and there I would get like really deep, really hurtful pimples. They would just come up on my face, and like there was just nothing that would make it go away like really fast or anything like that. Overall, I'm just so impressed with how my skin has been looking lately and the overall texture of it. So if you guys want to try Curology for yourself, you can use my link down below to sign up and get 1 month of Curology free. All you have to do is pay $4.95 for shipping and handling. And I wanted to show you guys the difference between the trial size and the full size version. So I just finished my trial size version like the other day, and I switched over to my full size version. So I'm gonna keep you guys updated with my skin and how it looks. Honestly, you guys can tell from the vlogs too if I continue to just like wear no makeup. And I'm gonna be vlogging a lot now that I'm gonna be moving. So yeah, definitely check out the link in the bio to get your first month of Curology free. All you have to do is pay $4.95 for shipping and handling. All right, so we're in HomeGoods with my parents. Oh, this is HomeSense actually. We're in HomeSense with my parents, and my grandparents tricked me. She was like, oh, we have a whole set of pots and pans for you. But then it ended up just being one pot or pan. But thank you anyway, Lola. So we're picking out some pots and pans, so we found this one.
Did the one that your grandpa gave us, does it have a lid on it?
Yeah, it does. $19.99. So we gotta get like a soup, like something to cook like spaghetti in. And then also, I hope you guys can hear me, but also we want to get one that has like the grill, like a grill pan. But I don't think we'll find it. Yeah, cast iron skillet. So we got these 3.
You don't want pink ones though?
No, I'm not about the pink ones. All right, we're gonna try to look for some outdoor rugs because we don't have one yet. Oh no, it's low selection here. Okay, so we're looking for an outdoor rug for our deck, probably like 5 by 7.
They're all 5 by 7, these ones.
I don't see any I like though.
This one?
All right guys, so we're at Target now, and we're getting all of the essentials for the apartment. So when we move in, like everything will be good to go. We have like all the cleaning supplies and stuff like that. So now we're getting an air freshener. All right, so we're gonna get this air freshener because Christian's sister got this when we were on vacation, and it covered up some stanky business.
It's a 2-way street, and you got stanky. Should we get bugs for it?
What? I honestly hate shopping here on Sundays. I haven't come to like a Target, HomeSense, any of that stuff on a weekend, so this is just too much. Like, I don't like when there's a lot of people in the store. Not because vlogging, but actually, yeah, that. And just because everybody's like on top of each other. And we're in the cat aisle, I don't know why. Oh, because no one's in this aisle, that's why. Yeah, I know, it stinks, Christian said. He asked if we should get tissues, and honestly, I haven't used a tissue box in a really long time. I was like, do you want it? And he's like, yeah, I would like to blow my nose. So we're getting some tissues for Christian so he can blow his nose.
And we can get
and also the trash bags.
Get your small trash bag.
Here. We do still need to get a Swiffer, but basically we have some trash bags, toilet cleaner wand, some toilet paper. My mom's here. She doesn't want to be in the vlog. Mom, I'm making memories. You can look back on this day and remember it for the rest of your life. The day before your daughter moved out. Okay. All right, we found hand soap. We like the Myers brand, but I'm putting it in.
Lavender.
I'm putting it in like a thing so we can get the bigger one. What? Basil? Peony.
Peony?
Peony?
I don't know how to say that.
No, just get that one for now.
Yeah. Oh, there's this one. Basil? Oh, I don't want
No,
basil.
you don't want basil.
No.
Okay, yeah, so that works. Is that it? What's on my list?
Your mom said she'll give us paper towels, right?
Yeah, we have paper towels at home.
I don't think there's any Lysol wipes here.
Yeah, I don't think so.
Do you want to go look at a first aid kit?
Oh yeah, let's go back. Here, baby, take the cart.
And a step stool. You want a step stool?
I can get that on our own when we go back. But I saw a step stool. There's a really good step stool here that I want that. But this other. There's my dad.
So wait, so do you want me to bring that shit?
Hi, Dad. You're better at this. We're gonna put that in. Sorry I didn't get much content in Target. It was like extremely busy in there. I'm sweating. It's so hot out. It was 90 degrees. But yeah, it was extremely busy in there. I was getting some side eyes because I was trying to vlog and people were trying to get into certain like aisles and I was like, ugh. So
People are so cranky now.
they are, especially during this pandemic. But we're on our way to the car wash now so we can get my car cleaned because my tires are literally disgusting.
Gross.
And I'm gonna be parking in a parking garage, so I want it all sparkling clean while it's in there. So yeah, we're gonna do that and then we're gonna go finish up our shopping trip. We have to go to Home Depot and we have to go to Nordstrom Rack to return something for Christian. But I also wanna go into HomeGoods to see if we can find hand towels and stuff like that. And babe, don't do that. I'm cutting that out. This is my favorite car wash to come to. I hope there's one like by where we live that's like as good. It's just so fun to like be in a car wash this. The rainbow soap. Don't you remember doing this like when you were little? And it was like the coolest thing ever.
Oh, rainbow!
One time it knocked my, there you go. So we just got done with the car wash. Thanks Christian for all your help. It looks so good. Now we're at HomeGoods because I wanted to see if they had some bath towels and like hand towels and all that stuff. Oh wow, look at the selection here. We got our good stuff though.
Oh no.
This is all Clad. They're more expensive than, we got this brand. Calphalon. We got all of our pots and pans are this brand. Which they're very like,
They seem very like,
yeah, really nice.
I like this one.
Really good quality. Because it has, oh, it has like a nice like rubber silicone
and
lid.
there's a measuring thing.
No, there's a measuring thing on ours.
Oh really?
Yeah. So we don't really need any more pots and pans now. Do you want metal straws?
I really don't use them.
Well, I have the glass one, so if we need more then.
Yeah. Well, if we're gonna be using straws in our Yetis, I don't think glass is a good thing.
Yeah, you're right. Then should we get them? Or should we get the smaller ones?
I don't like the tips on them. I would want, yeah.
Do you want it all metal?
I would want them like
That's
that.
very close to my face. Oh, we just still haven't gotten a trash can.
Yeah.
Someone tell me why trash cans are so expensive.
You're blurry, so.
When we figure out the size, I never measured what like the size of our fridge is. I'm pretty sure it's like this big. But I definitely want to get some of these drawer thingies to like organize everything. But I'm not gonna get it until like the first week because I just don't know how big our fridge is. All right, we're at Home Depot now. We found the Swiffer here. And then we're getting a mattress bag because I want to like put my mattress in there for when we put it on the truck so it doesn't get dirty. And then we're getting spray bottles so Christian's mom can put some cleaning stuff in them, right?
Yeah.
That's for a queen, right?
What?
Queen, king.
Yeah,
Oh.
yeah. Queen / king.
Okay.
But this is a regular one. This is a heavy duty one. Should we get the heavy duty one just in case? Doesn't rip or anything like that? Yeah.
Okay. Alright guys, so it is a lot later in the day now. I got home after doing all of our errands. And now I'm going to show you guys what my room looks like. I think I'm going to start packing up my car because my brother's taking my car. I'm taking Christian's car. Christian's driving the moving truck. And then his girlfriend, my brother's girlfriend, and his best friend are coming to help us. So they're going to be in my brother's car. So I'm going to pack up his car too. But there's definitely things in here that I can totally take and put in my car right away instead of waiting tomorrow. Gosh, this is everything. And then I still have stuff over here that's like some skincare and like other toiletry stuff I'm just leaving open until tomorrow. Some trash, all this stuff. This is clothes I want to just like donate or try to sell at like Plato's Closet. I can pack these away because I'm not going to use them tomorrow. I actually don't even know what I'm wearing tomorrow. It's just a lot of stuff, and it's just like random and looks super messy because everything is in like random bags and boxes, so it just doesn't feel organized at all, but whatever.
Baby, shine through and come and save me. I've been missing lady luck ever since she started hating. I've been waking up too early. I miss our crazy hazes in the middle of the night. Watch the stars from different places, and the phases we call love won't ever start to change. But do you ever wake up feeling like everything is strange? We should buy a one-way ticket and board onto a plane and fly.
All right, so we just put this thingy back on. You can take this off, but since my dad wanted to put it somewhere, we put it back on the thing and it fit perfectly. We left a little hole for my brother to see through, and so that's that. And then see how it's like packed so much. But yeah, we're all ready to go. My brother's gonna drive my car, and then his girlfriend and his friend are gonna drive in his car. So I gotta tell him to be extra careful when he drives my car. But look how much cleaner my rims are. They were literally so dirty, like literally so dirty. It looked like they were matte brown. So I wanted to give you guys an update on my room. We moved so much stuff into my car, and then Christian came back later and we packed his car up with stuff. So this is what it looks like. We have a moving truck coming tomorrow, or actually I'm picking it up tomorrow morning with Christian, and we're gonna put all the furniture in there and then all the stuff that is in that's in my garage right now. I moved a lot of boxes down there as well. So I'm gonna end off the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed, and yes, I'm gonna end the video off here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe down below for all the moving vlogs to come, the empty apartment tour and everything like that. But I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day and night whenever you're watching this, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.